Mohican State Park, Clear Fork, Gorge Overlook. Little side trail to the far left of the parking lot. That's not labeled. You come down that trail. It'll lead you down here to this. Just got to Clear Fork Gorge Overlook. First trip in my new car. I think I'm gonna name it Casper. Just makes sense to me, I don't know. Alright, here we go. It's cold as crap. Had to put on some long johns. It says it's supposed to be 60, but I don't think it feels like 60. This place right here is absolutely beautiful. This was one of the first places I ever brought my boy Frizzle. Look at these views. It's beautiful. Definitely beautiful. Got a little bottom part overlook down here. This here is the second overlook area. I have a picture of my dog looking over the edge here. I'll post it up in the video if I can get it in. This area is just beautiful. This is Clear Fork Gorge Overlook. It's a nature preserve overlook area, and it's actually inside of Mohican State Park. It's beautiful. So, got an undocumented trail. Let's see where it goes. This is Clear Fork Nature Preserve. Now you see these red flags, or pink, red, whatever it is, I'm colorblind. That lets you know that they are building a trail system here. Facts. Okay. So we can see they got some trail work ahead of them. This was from that tornado. We had a tornado come through here about 2 weeks ago. That's what all this is from. You can see it. I expected that. It's one of the reasons I didn't bring my mountain bike. I expected trees to be down everywhere around here. Holy guacamole. I don't know what it is, but the ground is like really slanted right here. Holy crap, dude. I don't like that shit. When the ground's only like 5 feet wide walking space and it's at a slant and the ground's slippery and covered with leaves next to a 2,000 foot drop. Oh, damn. Look at all these feathers. There's feathers everywhere. There's part of a bird. Literally, part of a bird. Damn. Feathers right there. Feathers right there. Feathers there. More feathers. So something fucked that bird up. I mean, literally, it was half a chunk was missing out of him. Like, I don't know what kind of done that. That wasn't no another bird. That was an animal. Like a coyote or... I don't know. That was some crazy shit, though. Hold up. Here come some people. Gotta put the mask on. Stay corona-free. Social distancing at its finest. You know how it is. Look at that forest. How thick it is right there. You can tell this forest ain't been logged in a very long time. Let's pray no administration, Democratic or Republic, because both have cut forests. Can't put the blame on one or the other. Both parties are just as equal. They all want the same thing. Power. This is for the first time ever we have a president other than Teddy Roosevelt that actually cares about the parks. Not the biggest fan of Donald Trump, but he did donate his first paycheck to the National Park Services. And if you don't believe me, Google it. It's facts. I respect him for that. He gave back to nature. Any man that gives back to nature is good in my book. Now, all the fragging and all the other stuff, yeah, it's bad. But at the same time, I have natural gas with oil and other stuff on properties. So that fragging has put money in my pocket that I've never had before, allowing me to buy new things like my 97.2 acre mountainside and new car and travel and buy all the materialistical shit in my life. Materialistical stuff ain't everything. That's why I just say materialistical shit, because it ain't happiness. But still, it is what it is. Winding down the hill, making our way to the bottom, almost to flat ground. This is gonna take us down to the river. Ooh, coming down here to a nice little meadow. This looks nice. Got one of these erosion logs. These things actually work. They really do. I'm gonna do some of that shit on my property in certain areas. There's a few ideas I've gotten from the park services that I'm gonna do on my property. See, this is the stuff that I knew was gonna happen. Oh, the damn trees. See, they're gonna be doing some serious cutting. Wow. Those are from them wood beetles. Look at that. They ate lines all over the tree. That was not carved. Those are from these little beetles. They eat between the bark. It's crazy. Okay, looks like when you get to the bottom of the mountain, you reach a meadow. And as you can see, they've actually started cutting their way up the mountain. You can see the piece missing right here. Clearly been cut. It's nice and sunny down here. Heck yeah. Feels good too. Might have to take off one of these layers. I think I've only been down here one time. I've been here 1,000 times. This is one of the first parks I used to come to. I used to come here all the time with my boy Frizzle. And I think we're almost to the river. this little island off trail. Should have brought a lunch. It's been a nice place to eat lunch. Nice and peaceful. Mohican State Park, Clear Fork, Gorge Overlook. Little side trail to the far left of the parking lot. That's not labeled. You come down that trail. It'll lead you down here to this. The trail goes way down there, but I'm not going all the way down there. I got too many other parts of this park I want to go to. But I'll definitely be coming back here in the future, exploring this trail. So beautiful, so peaceful. Alright, let's out. Make our way back up the hill. This is a little baby Buckeye tree. See the 5 leaves? No, it's not a weed leaf. That's a Buckeye leaf. Ohio State, baby. Yeah. It's a nice little meadow. Too bad you can't come back in here deer hunting. Got the river down here. This would be a nice area to go blast some. Yeah. Up the hill we go. This mud is slippery. Definitely not going to be. Oh yeah, it's slippery. Almost back to the car. Whew. This is a nice little place. I have no clue how far that trail goes down below. I'm pretty sure it goes for a far distance. I don't know. But it's a nice little place to come and do a day hike. It's not a lot of people, it's secluded. Definitely find some space. A couple trail edges was a little sketchy though. Might want to be cautious with small children. Other than that, Clear Fork, Gorge, Overlook area, Mohican State Forest. Definitely worth it. Definitely worth it.